Okay, students, this is the second lecture video of the unit 3. So already we have discussed about the various machining operation with various equipment such as lathe, shaper, planer, and then grinding machine, drilling machine. So everything we have discussed in the first lecture itself. So we will discuss about the each and every equipment in detail in our today's class. So the study of this machining operation is very much important in manufacturing because with the help of the these machining operation only we can perform all the work. So different operation performed on a lathe is already what we have discussed. Uh, Principal parts of lathe: headstock, tailstock, crossed light, compound rest, or so in the important point is T-bed and the other things, headstock and spindle. So headstock is the where we are handling the job. Carriage and spindle are used to hold the tool. Cross slide and common slide are used to move from to and fro and then sideways. So tool post and tools. Tool post is used to hold the tools for operations. So general type of lathe are engine lathe, turret lathe, and then mm, uh, capstan lathe or the different type of lathe machines. So in work holding in lathe, we are utilizing the headstock, 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw chuck, and then collar chuck. Collar chuck is all we can say the automatically single operation. So lathe center bit work to be turned between the center must have the center. Mandrel. Mandrel is used to hold the hollow and drilled workpiece. So rest is the place where the job can be hinged. So faceplate is the round plate that used to adjust the operation, lathe operation. So these are all the various operations doing in the lathe machine. So cutting parameters is diameter, speed, etc. General purpose, special purpose machine tool, shaper, planer, these are all the special purpose machines. Shaper is a machine tool used to removing the metal surface in horizontal, vertical, angular plane by use of the single tool. So in the shaper, the job is fixed in a particular place and the work holding tool is moved from work and to and fro. So single point cutting tool is held in the tool holder. Working principle of shaper: the time taken throughout the idle stroke is less when compared to the working stroke. The quick return mechanism. Principal parts of shaper is base, column, crash rail, saddle, what we have mentioned in the lathe itself. So the diagram is the self-explanatory about the various parts of a shaping machine. Base is used to hold the machine. Principal parts of shaper: crash rail is used to and from motion of the tool. T-slots on both the top and side clamping the network. Table support and outboard clamp. Ram is the reciprocating part. Principal parts of the shaper: tool head, where the tool is held. So the diagram, that is slide, indicate how the tool is fixed by adjusting the various position. clapper box rule is used to hold the that is fix the tool. Shaping machine, there are different type: horizontal type, vertical type, traveling head type, etc. So crank shaper ram reciprocate by help of the to and fro motion. Reciprocating motion of the ram is achieved by the hydraulic power. Horizontal shaper. So normally in the ram holding tool reciprocate in the horizontal axis, vertical the ram reciprocate in the vertical axis. A standard shaper, universal shaper. Specifications normally length of the job, length of the ram, maximum and minimum diameter that we can fix. Crank and slotted lever mechanism. So by adjusting the lever mechanism, we can change the speed. Crank and slot lever mechanism is used to changing the speed for different type of material. As per your syllabus is concerned, you not at all required this calculation and other things. Just to understand what we are doing the operation with the help of the shaping machine or any equipment. Actually, we are having the PG courses in machine design. So Whitworth quick return mechanism is used for the return stroke. Actually, it is having forward stroke. It is taking more time. When it is return, it is having the less time. Hydraulic upper mesh. Hydraulic operation is used for the this motion of the ram. Table automatic table feed pole and reset mechanism. The driving disc gets drive from the bull gear. So it is oscillating from to and from. Shaping operation measuring horizontal surfaces, vertical surfaces, angular surfaces, dovetail grooves, etc. So vertical surfaces are doing with the vertical machine, measuring angular surfaces. So we have to rotate the tool in the angular operation what we have. Universal wise method job may be fixed both for the vertical as well as in the horizontal direction. Dovetail grooves are used to give the slot in the some angular direction. Dovetail machining a V block, machining a round surface, external keyways. So normally keyways are utilized, keyways are produced with the help of the shaping machines. What is measuring? By measuring parameters of Saperos, feed, measuring time, and then the ratio of return time to the cutting speed. So in these fork holding devices, chucks are used for holding the job as well as the tool. Visors are used to hold the job. Clamping, sitting, clamping directly on the table. So these are all the that is today we have discussed about the lathe and shaping machine in detail. If you have any doubt, any clarification on these operations, you can raise your questions. Is there any questions? You can raise your questions for your clarifications.